Hello Facebook, welcome to Hair Talk. So I'm Amanda Reid and I am going to be coming at you through a series of videos all dedicated to natural hair and the care of natural hair. This is a struggle for a lot of women who are trying to figure out this whole natural hair journey, and it's not easy. And I have been natural for over 6 years now, and I've gone through all the trial and errors and all the mistakes that you could ever think of making. And so I've gathered all my knowledge from those years of being natural, but also from my experience as a hairstylist, a professional hairstylist and makeup artist. And I've gathered all this knowledge and put it together in a series of videos for you to help you get to healthy hair. Now, this is not about long hair because I believe that healthy hair is really the goal. If you have healthy hair, then you have the choice of growing it long or keeping it as short as you like. So we are aiming for healthy hair, okay? So the first tip I wanted to give you is in regards to your scalp. Your scalp is really important because that's where it all starts, right? So one of the things that I like to do is I like to stimulate my scalp twice a week. And the way that I do that is by using a pure essential oil, and the oil is rosemary. So this is the oil that I use, and you can see it is, I think that's upside down. No, that's upside down. Okay, rosemary, you get what I'm saying. So that's the oil that I use, and what I do is I put it in a roller bottle like this, and let me take off the cap so we can all see. I put in a roller bottle like this, and what you see inside is not all rosemary. That is maybe about 1/3 rosemary and then 2/3 of coconut oil. And this is fractionated coconut oil. I will just show you that here. Fractionated coconut oil available from the same company, doTERRA. And you can use fractionated coconut oil. You can use any other oil you wouldn't mind in your hair. So avocado is good. You can use olive oil if you like, and then you can also just use the coconut oil inside of your cupboard. Okay, now the only difference between that coconut oil and the fractionated stuff is fractionated coconut oil will not harden when the temperature drops, and so that is kind of important when you have something in a roller bottle, because you just want to be able to roll it on with ease and not have to, warm it up. Okay, so there's 1/3 rosemary in here, and there's 2/3 of fractionated coconut oil or any oil of your choice. And what you do is you just roll it right onto your scalp, and you do that twice a week. And after you've rolled it on, you just give it a little tiny gentle massage, nothing too crazy, but you will feel your scalp come alive, and it's amazing because you know that it's working. So I really recommend that to anybody who is interested in getting their scalp to a healthy place, but also to stimulate hair growth. Now, if you are interested in getting this rosemary oil, just send me a DM. You can contact me that way. Or I also have some of these makeshift ones rolling, kicking around. So I can get one of those to you as well. All right, that is it. There you go. First episode in the bag. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned. There will be another episode of Hair Talk coming your way very soon. Mwah! Stay beautiful.